Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my journey in life. So today is a Monday around 10:25 here in the morning, and then someone is here from, what's that, Daddy? What company is that? Derek.
AT&T.
Yeah, but the TV, Brian is using the, what's that, Daddy?
What?
The antenna only,
Yeah.
yun yung gamit ni Brian, and then now he wants to change, and then that's why nag-ano si Brian ng ito sa ano ba to Derek TV ba? Derek TV nag-installation. Someone's here for to kind of do the installation, the Derek TV. And then may na tayo, may may connection na tayo sa Filipino channel. So that's nice because makakanood na ako ng ng Filipino channel. The guy from AT&T. So kukuha tayo ng flower dito guys sa yard, ilalagay ko sa base. Na ito yung TV namin, and then walang ilang inches to, Daddy? How many inches this TV? 55? No, that's 65, I think. We cannot watch na ito dito ilalagay, i-hook up nila yung So kukuha ako ng base, and then maglalagay tayo ng flower. Ang flower ko na binili ko nung last ang ganda niya. Napaka-fresh. So dito tayo guys, kukuha ng flower, ilalagay natin sa base. So ito yung kasi nga yung isang araw is malakas yung hangin, and then kukuha tayo dito. And then haluan din natin ng ibang kulay, yung napaka-red na color kasi parang pink. So kuha din tayo ng ganitong kulay. So, isa lang yung kukunin ko sa red kasi nga konti pa yung flower niya. So dito natin ilalagay yung flower. Imingaw ako sa presensya mo. Why that day? I am pretty. I am beautiful now.
Ask the mirror.
Huh?
Ask the mirror.
You told me I am a beautiful woman, wife. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Is it? Is it right, Daddy?
I guess so.
So I'm not pretty?
Ask the mirror, man.
That's the mirror told me. Sometimes I'm beautiful, sometimes no. Yeah, may mga times na feeling natin guys na guwapa talaga. We are beautiful but sometimes ugly, no? That's what I feel. We can feel sometimes. Alay. But sabi nila, the rose, Daddy, Someone told me the rose is not good
Okay.
because it symbolizes, because there is a lot of thorns. It's not good for the yard because it's a kind of a bad luck. It symbolizes this one, that thorn is a lot of problems. But I told them.
Well, I already had a lot of bad luck before, so.
Yeah, and then
Without the rose bushes, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's not true. Balik kapag tandog kanimo na gimingaw ako.
Better watch out for black widow spider, though. If they bite you, they'll kill you.
The
Black widow.
what's the black widow?
It's a black spider with a red
Yeah,
hourglass
it's a
on its shell.
spider. Sa presentasya mo. Dapat yung maano lang na base, yung hindi siya mahaba. Pag wala kaming base na yung maano lang. Tinuod na kalipat. Kasing-kasing ko. Ginawa ako sa presensya mo. May mga mga animals, gagamba. Bali. Punta tayo ng Fred Meyer, guys, for groceries. Hindi sasama si Brian kasi nga may nag-install ng ng connection namin sa TV. So ako lang. So let's go. So let's go. Guys, may na kami channel, Pinoy channel.
Raymond, nasa'y ng instant noodles! Yes! Instant spot!
Parang nasa Pilipinas lang, di ba? Makain ng chicken. So, nagluluto tayo ng beef giniling na may carrots and potato. Nagluluto din tayo ng beef sabaw soup. So, hindi pa yan lata. And then, ito yung mga sangkap natin. Toyok, toyok, toyok. So, ito yung mga sangkap. So, luto na siya, guys. So, papakainin ko si Brian ito. So, luto na yung natin. Yung beef soup. Na tamang-tama sa maulan na panahon. Maulan siya ay. So, mamaya na tayo kakain kasi nga kakain ko lang din ng breakfast. Maaga ako nagluto. Maulan siya. Kahapon din maulan. Sinek ni Brian yung truck kasi nga naka-open yung window.
Dry.
Ha?
Keeps them dry.